Good morning, everybody. So today we're gonna do a teen facial. It's back to school time, and this is a great time to get your teen skin back into a balance before they go back to school. So I've got my little model here, Rebecca, who's my daughter, and we're gonna give her a nice cleansing, clean teen facial. We're gonna use my Bion protocol, which is mostly salicylic and glycolic ingredients in them. I'm gonna double cleanse her skin. We're gonna put a lot of steam on her so we can steam out her pores. We're gonna do some extractions, and then we're gonna let her sit under a clay mask to absorb any oils and anything extra that's kind of bacteria that's sitting on her skin. It's really important as teenagers to really keep your skin really super clean. Becca's skin's not really oily. In fact, she's kind of on the drier side, yet she still gets these hormonal breakouts and these teen skin issues that pop up. This is a double cleanse. So the second cleanser has a little bit of an exfoliating property to it. Becca's also getting an eyebrow wax, not today, closer to when school starts, so just disregard her eyebrows. However, I'm running a special this month. If you schedule a teen facial for the month of August, you get your eyebrows done for free. So that would be an incentive for you guys to get on the books and get your teens in here for a teen facial. So tell me about specifically, Becca, that bothers you about your skin and what your questions are. I bet that would help people.
Probably like what's the best thing that teenagers can do as if they're not going to get a facial? What's the best thing that they can do?
Wash your face. A lot of teenagers are wearing makeup right now, your age, 13, 14, 15, and then they're sleeping in their makeup.
Yeah, and some people are lazy.
Yeah, don't be lazy. Make sure you wash your face. Even if it's not with something that you're using professionally, like we're using on you, wash your face with a good facial cleanser and moisturize. Kids, again, is keep your face clean. Don't be lazy. Wash your makeup off. I'm going to put the salicylic gel on. You're probably going to feel a little tingly with that, and I'm going to also put some steam on it. The steam's going to sit for a little bit. Now, Becca's skin is not too bad. I've seen it worse. Becca tends to get more breakouts on her forehead. Again, I think it has a lot to do with her heavy hairline and the way she sleeps on it. Some of this chin stuff is hormonal. If any of you guys get some cheek issues, that's sometimes a dietary problem, meaning you're not getting enough of something in your diet, or too much sugar, too much dairy. That will help. That will cause some cheek breakouts as well. So your diet's very important. Obviously, drinking lots and lots of water is really important because it clears out those pores and hydrates your skin. This is a salicylic glycolic gel. It's gonna just sit on the skin, and I'm gonna put some steam on it. So it's a little peel-like. Becky, you tell me if it's too tingly or how tingly it is. Are you feeling anything now? Mm-hmm. So on a scale from 1 to 10, what are you feeling?
Right now, it's like nothing. Like it's
okay.
A 1.
So you're feeling something, but it's really not a big deal.
Yeah, it's like right here, and it's nothing.
All right. No, that's good. It definitely has, enough salicylic and glycolic. I prefer treating this minor acne like Becca has with a salicylic glycolic. I'm not a big fan of anything that has, what's the word I'm looking for? I'll think of it. I prefer to use salicylic glycolic. I think the 1-2 punch of the glycolic and the salicylic really does clear that up, as opposed to using benzoyl peroxide. Sorry, I couldn't get it out. A lot of teenage stuff, especially over-the-counter stuff, like your oxy pads and things like that, have a lot of benzoyl peroxide in it. It might be good for, some kids on a spot treatment basis, but I find that a salicylic glycolic mix is actually better. and clears things up a little bit better in the long run. There are some sensitivities that people get with benzoyl peroxide. That's that redness, that flakiness, and again, I just tend to feel like a mild regular teen skin like Becca has does better with the salicylic glycolic. Becca's going to start using the whole Bion kit and see if we can get her completely clear this month. She's going to be my little tester on that. A few of my teen clients are already on it and have done well on it, so we're going to do something a little different with Becca. See if it affects her skin the same. What are you feeling now, Becca? On a scale from 1 to 10. Still just a 1 or 2?
Like a 3.
Okay, so it's kicked up just a little bit.
Yeah.
So the steam's going to kick that up a little bit as well.
Okay.
Okay. So the steam is ready, and we're gonna start steaming her skin. Becca said that your that salicylic glycolic lotion, you said it feels like about a 3 on a scale from 1 to 10.
Now it's like a 4.
Okay, so it's tingling up a lot, right? All right, sorry about that. So what the steam will do is it's gonna take that gel, salicylic glycolic gel that I put on her skin, and now it's going to open up all her pores, and it's going to clear out the bacteria, and it's going to move some of her clogged pores easier. We can get them out easier after we steam her out. The steam's also good for hydration, killing bacteria, opening up pores. It really kind of just kicks up the salicylic glycolic gel to drive it deeper into the skin. So we're going to leave that on for a few minutes, and we'll come back as soon as we're done steaming. Okay, so we steamed her out for about 5 minutes. That's still feeling about a 4 or 5?
Yeah.
So you're feeling it a little bit more now, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so what that's doing is it's eating away at your dead skin cells, opening up your pores with that steam. I'm going to take it off now, and then we're going to do a follicle treatment on you before we start doing some extractions, okay?
Mm-hmm. Ugh.
Now, I know Becca's not very fond of the extractions, but by opening up some of these and getting all that bacteria out and then zapping the bacteria, it'll definitely clear her up. And since we're doing this a week or so before school, she'll have some time to, her skin will have time to rebalance, especially because we're putting her on a new routine, and she'll probably have nice, smooth skin going back to school. That's the whole point, isn't it?
Let's hope, yes. Yes, don't mind my eyebrows, like, at all. Whew.
We are going to do those right before we go back to school.
Oh, bad.
This is an inhibiting gel. Inhibiting gel kind of inhibits any oil and sebum glands from producing more and killing a little bit more bacteria before we do extraction. So you're going to feel a little bit, you feel it a little bit?
Yeah.
But is it as bad as, is it as stingy as the first one was?
No. It's, yes.
It is?
It's like more worse.
It's worse.
Yeah.
Like from a scale of 1 to 10.
Like a 6.
Okay.
But my skin is just sensitive.
So another thing, and Becca has been playing with my makeup forever, is using good, for the girls especially, the importance of using good makeup. If you use some mineral powder or some foundation or some concealer, make sure it's a really good concealer, that it's made with good stuff and not a lot of crap in it that sometimes the stores offer. Becca and I use a lot of the Limelight, which is now called Lime Life products. And what I like about it, it's botanical foundation and botanical concealer that actually is good for your skin. So it will definitely not clog your pores as much. You're not putting a bunch of junk on your skin, but it's really good coverage. It's waterproof. Looks really nice on your skin, right, Beck?
Mm-hmm.
If you guys want to learn more about the better foundations and makeup and concealers, you can definitely comment down below, and then Becca's going to put all of my websites and Instagram and social media and where you can contact me and ask any questions that you have. I'll be happy also to do a complimentary makeup workshop on you, so I can color match you and tell you what's good for your skin, and then you can just order it on my website, which makes it really easy. And I don't mind doing complimentary makeovers, especially for teenagers who are just starting to wear makeup, so I could show them the do's and don'ts. Sometimes YouTube don't really give it what they really need.
Right.
Initially, because I've opened up all your pores, and then that inhibiting gel is like getting in there, so
Yeah.
That'll help when we're doing extractions to kill the bacteria a little bit. Now, as Becca just sighed because she doesn't like extractions, for the most part, our facial is pretty relaxing though, right, Beth?
Right.
And so it's not all scary and not all, you know, hurtful. Sometimes the extractions are necessary because you have to get them out of your skin, but for the most part you're pretty relaxed and you're feeling good and your skin's feeling good, right?
Yeah.
There's a purpose for the stinging. This is a mild acne treatment. I could also do a salicylic treatment, which would be more like a chemical peel, which I have done in Becca before. That stings a lot, doesn't it?
Yeah. Yeah.
So I want to see what I'm digging at here.
Oh, yeah.
How you doing, Beck?
Fine.
See if I can get any of these little clogged pores cleaned out for her.
Mm-hmm.
It does, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Anything in this area usually hurts worse. And it's also going to calm the skin from all the things that we did to it.
Oh, no.
So I'm actually going to zap all these little areas that she has some breakouts and anything that I've opened up for her. And hopefully in the next day or two, these are going to heal up and clear up really well. Yeah, so it does sound like a terrible dental tool that everybody's afraid of, but it really doesn't hurt. All right, this green tea clay poultice mask. So the green tea is going to calm everything down, where the poultice is actually the clay part of the mask that's going to absorb any residual oil and sebum that might still be active on her skin. The mask is a little hard to get off because it kind of dries up to the skin because it's absorbing any extra oils and things like that. So I take a little water and massage it in a little bit. Close your eyes a sec, Beck. Look at those beautiful lashes. She doesn't need lash extensions. They're gorgeous.
Thanks.
You're welcome. It's not because you're my daughter. A little warm towel just to take off the residual mask. Smells like what, Beck? Lavender, our favorite. Take deep breaths so you can smell that lavender. It'll clear your head. Do a little toner to tone the skin. I'll have you close your eyes for me. We're going to do an oil-free moisturizing gel. And then on top of that, we're going to put a sunscreen. Sunscreen is very important, even if you're not at the beach, because even walking to our car, we can get sun. Playing out in PE, we can get sun. And you really want to protect your skin. That's going to help with all kinds of skin issues. So again, this is an oil-free gel that kind of just going to give her a little hydration without adding too much oil back into her skin. How does that feel, Beck?
Very good.
Calming, right?
Yeah.
Cool. And then I'm going to let this absorb really nicely. Then we're going to put a sunscreen and a little lip balm on her, and then she's done. That's her facial. She's going to be ready for school. I don't recommend you do them yourself.
I don't recommend you get threading done because that hurts
Threading hurts
a lot.
like a dickens.
I got it done once and I'm never doing it again.
And then waxing seems like nothing, right?
Yeah, like okay, waxing it hurts, but like if you get your eyebrows threaded and then get them done waxed, you're like that's like nothing.
I agree. Threading is a little torturous. All right, well, Beck, that's your facial. I hope everybody enjoyed our YouTube video today. You're back to school ready as soon as we get these brows done in a couple days. All my information is going to be at the bottom of this video. Beck's going to doctor this video up and make it look better and go faster. I look forward to seeing everybody. If I don't see you soon, have a great school year.